Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. Come on, let's go street scrapping and see what we can find today. All right, man, it is a beautiful day. We got the sun coming up. We got some high clouds. Temperature is just perfect. I mean, just perfect. And we're gonna start out with a fan. All right, fan. I think that's it inside there. That's a lot of paper and styrofoam in that pile. That little box is going to come in handy for times when I'm packing boards. That can take up a little bit of space at the top of the box. A grill and a smoker. Awesome. Oh yeah, I got my cans again. Got my cans here. This one appears to be in pretty bad shape. Legs are broken out. We're gonna flip it upside down, make a mess. But before we do that, get you in. Oh, gracious me. These things are all rusted out. Oops. That was not the right thing to do there. Recycle has already been here. I didn't know that. And you're probably asking yourself, why are you taking all that stuff out? Because sometimes that stuff becomes a real mess when you're trying to get stuff in the truck. This one is problematic enough, although we did pretty good with this. Under the circumstances, gonna get even dirtier here now. All right. And I saw another grill as I was coming into this cul-de-sac, so we're gonna go get the other grill now too. Then we'll tie everything down. This little grill, this is for cooking 2 hamburgers at a time. Straight deadlift. Hey, you know what? Let's do this. Let's turn you around. This. Ah, Sharky, now you're thinking. Now you're thinking, buddy boy. Mind if I take your metal, get it recycled? Go for it. Alrighty. Boy, this bike has seen some action.
Yeah, it's been around for a while.
I have to say, this is the neatest trampoline scrap. This guy packaged it all up nicely. I mean, if everybody put out their trampolines like that, I would be in seventh heaven. There we go. That makes sense. Yeah, he's got all the screws in the bag. Ah! He just did such a fantastic job taking this trampoline apart. I mean, this is just awesome. Now, what's the best way to do this? I think, can we do that? Will we be able to get, I think we can get enough of them in on the sides. Alternate it. And we'll get some over here too. The bike will keep everything from shifting around in there. This is awesome. I mean, Very nice. What could have been a really ugly load is looking really good so far. Now, interesting about whether or not I should take that. I want to be quick, but I also need to fit. You don't want to bend. Wonder. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I think the guys at the yard will have a problem with it because I also have so much other metal in this load. Oh, that solves the problem right there, doesn't it? Now then, and we'll put this in another pile somewhere to save them from maybe not getting picked up. All right, well, clouds rolled in and the forecast is for overcast all day. So that's fine. It keeps the temperature comfortable in the mid 60s. Not a lot of sun, so makes it a little bit nicer. We're filling up pretty quick. Come on, let's keep at it. Now that's the way to leave a chair. I mean, that's awesome. That is all the recyclable material from the chair. Sweet. There's always room for cord food. Now then, how you get the cord food off of there might be the issue. Oh my. There we go. I knew we'd get there eventually. I don't even know if I can get any of this in the truck. Let's see. Maybe. Yeah, maybe we do that. And then we'll put another keeper line around it. That'll take care of some of these. You're going to be a problem. Gotta get that keeper line up around it. And then, let's see, we're not going to be busting that off of there. All right, that's about as good as we're gonna get. Man, don't you just love it when your fans are just waiting for you on the street? Come on, let's go for a walk. No, let's go for a ride. What do y'all think? Can we get some of that in there? I think we can. You over there. Get you up here. And you down there. Hey y'all, well, we've had a great day. We've got another good load. I'm going to take this to the scrapyard. I hope you all enjoyed the ride along. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and look for the links that are taking you to more shark scrapping videos. Don't forget the round one in the middle. That's to help you subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'll see you on the next one.